Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. And I'd like to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And we've got a really fun video today. We are using the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette, which I used before, but it was in Boxy pop-up recently. So I thought I would do another look with this palette because I know a lot of you guys picked it up because it is gorgeous. Anyway, let's get in here and start seeing what we can do. I'm going to start in the crease with this copper color in the middle. And it really comes out a lot more orange of a copper than a dark copper. It is beautiful. It is a gorgeous shimmer, and I don't mind starting to look off with a shimmer. And we have the base set there with the copper color. Trying to figure out what to do next. It's so fun. I am next going to go with this lavender color. That is beautiful. I'll put that on the lid because it's doing better. Looks better on the lid. Just a soft, beautiful shimmer. And just look how pretty that is together. It's so gorgeous. Next, I'm going to get into this cranberry color. It's so pigmented. It's looking beautiful, and I'm going to get back into that shimmer copper. Blend that up at the top. And that is just lovely. Let's get a blending brush. And this is definitely a very vibrant palette. A little more of the cranberry over here. There we go. That's better. And then we're going to blend it out a little more. Then we're going to go into this deep plum color. And that really deepens up the corner. And that just makes for a really gorgeous look. And then I'm going to take one final brush. And I'm going to go into this beautiful champagne-y gold color. I'm going to go above the brow. And that just is so beautiful. I do need to blend out this plum. It was a little harsh. But this is just a really beautiful shimmery look. And we're going to use some eyeliner. Use the Lurella eyeliner. I need to blend just a little more. There we go. And then we'll do some mascara. I'm going to use the new Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes. It's not a new mascara, but it's new to me. That is gorgeous. And I got some new lippies in. Trying to decide. Oops, wouldn't be a party if somebody didn't drop something. And I think I'm going to go with a dark lip. Trying to decide between Wind Down and Ruby Slipper. That's Ruby Slipper. Ooh, that would be really beautiful and dark. And then I think Wind Down is more purple. It's so hard to decide. I think I'm going to go with Ruby Slipper. Because I'm all about a dark lip lately. That is gorgeous. And this is from Gerard Cosmetics. And it's one of my very favorite lip formulas. So this is the Ruby Slipper. And this is my final look. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.